Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you encounter the device is being used by another application, then watch this video for the fix. Now we need to look for device manager for the first solution, and we need to expand sound, video and game controllers. Double click on the default audio device, click on driver and then click on rollback driver. You can put any of these reasons here, saying for example my apps don't work with this driver, and then click on yes, and it will roll back to a previous version of the driver. Now if you don't have that rollback option, if it's coming grayed out, then we'll move on to the next solution where we will update the audio drivers. So again we'll go to device manager and we will expand the audio inputs and outputs, and we will search for the audio devices. Right click on it, click on update driver and search automatically for drivers. Do the same thing for all of these devices under audio inputs and outputs. Now after this we will restart the Windows audio service. So we'll look for services and we'll just click on W because this is in the alphabetical order. It will help us find it fast. Windows audio. Alright, so here it is, the Windows audio service. Right click on it and click on restart. So once that's done, you need to move on to the next step, and that is right click on the speaker bar here in the lower right corner and then click on open volume mixer. Now in this you will see what apps are using the system audio. So for example Mozilla Firefox and OBS, you will maybe have more apps. So what you need to do, you need to go to task manager and then you need to end those tasks. So for example, if I see Firefox here, just look for it to make it faster. We'll look for Firefox here. We'll click on it and we'll click on end task. Then I saw OBS there, so we'll look for OBS and we will also click on it and hit and then go to end task. Now once that is done, you need to right click on the start button, go to settings and then go to system, sound, and go down below for more sound settings. Now here in the playback tab, right click on your default output device, go to properties, click on advanced tab and then uncheck allow applications to take exclusive control of this device and click on apply, click on OK and then click on OK again, and then just restart the computer by clicking the start button, the power button and restart, and you should no longer face this error. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.